Sunday, May 24th. Sun's come out after a good stretch of rather gray days. So I've got air running, and I just gave both tanks a stir. And I'm going to go ahead and pull a jar full out of each using the siphon pump and look at the quality of the water. So the water in tote 1 looks pretty thin. There's algae in it, but there's not a whole lot. I think it just needs more time for the algae to grow and outcompete other stuff in the water. We also just need to stir more off the bottom since this was pulled pretty close to the top. I don't think I'm going to add fertilizer for now, but we'll see what this will. Keep an eye on it. And just to hammer it home a little bit, tote 2 is extremely green, is doing rather quite well. Actually, I think I'm going to pump water back and forth between them a little bit, get some of this good algae into the other tote, and get the water out of that tote back into this one and kind of homogenize them. And here we go. The pump's a little much for the solar rig today. It just doesn't want to put out enough power to do it. So I've got it on the battery. We're actively pumping the water out of tote 2 back to tote 1. And then I've got the siphon set up going back the other way, feeding the water off the top back into tote 2. And using this method, I should be able to balance the two out. I also have another round of fertilizer in the solar oven cooking. Today will be the first of 3 days of good sun that this will need.